Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form using SureForms. So this one is the plugin that we are going to use. Now let's go in dashboard and simply you need to go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can go here and upload the plugin file. This one, then click on install button and it will take few seconds for the plugin file installation. After that, click on activate the plugin. So now let's click on manage plugins. Now we need to install the free version of this plugin. Now let's go back and install a plugin from here, SureForms. This one, install it, and after that activate the plugin. So now if you want to create a new form, then you can simply go from here and now you can also create a form using AI. So this form is fully compatible. Let's click here build with AI. For example, let me add here create a simple contact form. Then scroll down and click here generate form. And now here you can see form is created. Copy the text and after that go to pages, add a new page. Let me add here contact form by SureForms. Scroll down, then add here code, then publish this page. Now let's copy page link and let's open here. So now let's fill this contact form. Just add random details and here add phone number. Then scroll down, click on submit button. So now to check the form submissions, let's go back and click on entries. Here you can see these are the entries. So if you want to view, then click here view button. Scroll down. So these are all the fields. In this way you can easily create a contact form using SureForms.